Hello, my materialistic minions, it's me, Bo Shevasu. This is definitely one of the more high-quality optics that I would get on Amazon. Now, of course, the camera is not quite doing it justice. You see how fuzzy that plus sign is? Typically, it's a lot more clear, but it's a little hard for it to focus on there to actually get an accurate representation, but you can see I'm actually going through, and there's just a little dot right there. So right now on my system, I have my iron sights, which I am co-witnessing and essentially lining up this red dot on those, and just to ensure that, yes, it is in fact lined up. Now, to actually install this thing, there is a little dovetail locking mechanism right here with a button right back here that can slide, so it locks not just like this, but with that button as well. It does include this little wrench, and that goes in the other side. I just want to point out that this little wrench is one of those star type wrenches. It's not your typical little hexagon type wrench that you may have in your kit. So this is pretty darn specific that you have this thing in order to lock into this side right over there. Now, the battery goes in this section right up here where I'm pointing. You can just put a AAA battery in this, and of course that is included as well. And for actual windage adjustment, that would be over on this side. You may be wondering, how do you adjust the actual brightness level? And that is on the left hand side. You have the minus sign and plus sign, so it's pretty easy even with gloved fingertips to adjust that up and down. I know that when I am in low light, I certainly don't want something super blinding, because, well, then my eyes are adapting to the brightness of the reticle, and I want it to be as dim as possible. And of course, when it's bright out, I of course want this to be bright as well to match that. Overall, I am very, very impressed with this thing. Yes, it does hold zero even after a couple hundred rounds, and so that in and of itself pays off itself many times over again.